I think you said it was like 8 or 9:30. I'm not really not worried. Like even if it was me and you, like it still would be the only time you barely, like, you know, a little bit of prep in the morning, you might break a sweat, and then hauling some sheets up, maybe, but I don't know. The only thing that might get in your way is a little bit of shopping. I tried, you know, I mean, organize best I can, but I don't know, because I have the wrench, like I have the rope and it's attached to that thing, but I've never used the bender for hauling up sheets. So I'm not, you know what I mean, I'm not 100% that's what we're gonna do if we're just gonna drill holes and get a clamp, you know what I mean. That's still yet to be seen, but I think we should have everything else pretty good, especially since, yeah, it really doesn't take much. I got us some drills. What do you have? Do you have a charger for the DeWalt?
No, I don't have nothing.
Nothing. I have no idea where that was.
They should be over there. Everything is on the right there, in the pack house.
Oh, I didn't see out there. Whatever. I did get. I charged all the drills and.
There's the DeWalt right there.
Oh, but yeah, I did bring it. Look at that. So I guess I was pretty thorough. The only thing I didn't charge is the DeWalt. I have the battery. But yeah, we should have at least 3 fully function, if not more, right? Like
that battery should be on 2.
Yeah, I guess so.
It should be good to launch.
Don't know how many bits I have. So he's back to carpentry? Yeah. Good for him, because he did not. He looked miserable.
Yeah, it was bad. Still to this day, I don't understand how he was cutting. I'm used to 16 at 8 at 24 or 40, and I was like, what does that mean? what does like a 16 mean?
16 inch on center of the studs.
I guess you could have, but maybe like 24 or 48 or 32 or
all right. No, I got the 38. Stand by me. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. Usually you save it and then get to sending and stuff. It should send. I don't know. I've only sent like one invoice. It's going to be a figure outer for sure. Sure. He already left a 5-star review too, so we don't even need to ask for a review. Yeah. Number. Oh, just prepping the bottom, prepping the roof. You have to take the drip. You have to take the drip edge off. I just need to take this freaking sweater off. I'm dying. I'm just gonna do exactly half my roof. I ain't doing his side. Villainous. probably get this side done in half the time. Remember. Double slash technique. Bear claw rip. Oh, wow. Not the Stand by me. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. Usually you save it and then get to sending and stuff. It should send. I don't know. I've only sent like one invoice. It's going to be a figure outer for sure. Sure. He already left a 5-star review too, so we don't even need to ask for a review. Yeah. Remember. Oh, just prepping the bottom, prepping the roof. You have to take the drip. You have to take the drip edge off. I just need to take this freaking sweater off. I'm dying. Two. I'm just gonna do exactly half my roof. I ain't doing his side. Villainous. I'll probably get this side done half the time. Remember. Double slash technique. Bear claw rip. Oh, wow. Gonna go up 2 1/4. 2 1/4 up. This is for on the eaves, cut it across. You have to kind of do it at a triangle. And then just... It's just that we were doing it, I think, we were doing it flush like 1/2 inch or something, but we want at least 2 inches past the sheets even.
Are you closing it?
Yeah, I'll do the same thing up there, but so this is the bottom.
But you're not closing it then?
No.
Like cutting the corners?
No, we'll do this.
Okay.
No bends necessary. This is how I used to do it with my old boss that I learned this stuff. It's all you. All right, grab on the inside.
So how does this one go? There?
We got spinning around.
Yeah, but it goes there.
Yeah. So grab on the inside here. That's cardio intensive. I'm never doing the bottom again. I'm never taking bottom again. Huh?
From the back?
We just gotta slide down a bit. Hold on. Oh, up. Make sure it's in there too. We gotta cut it. Jeez. Yeah, we're taking lunch. You can go get Jean. Rubber's optimal, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got one here. But yeah, lift it from that side.
So for this,
I think that if you turn it the other way, it doesn't get stuck in the lap.
oh, so try to make sure tighten this every time. Nice and good.
Yeah. Is it regular now?
Yeah, spike. All right, so I'll go up there and I'll pull it up. You guys watch him this time. Yeah, good catch. Oh. Cardio. We want to pull it from this side. So, same thing, unfinished side. So we just tack it at the top just to hold it. This will get cut back. Well, first thing we're gonna do, right, is connect the ribs. So for now, we start with just where it overlaps.
Yeah, but no, I'm just, so that one doesn't go inside.
Nope, that's the unfinished side. So take that screw out and let's lift the sheet up. Even if you got to go up past your cuffs,
That could be cut. Yeah.
whatever you got to do, we'll snap it in after. Yeah. Hold it there. I'll drive that. And I'm gonna go up.
Like clamp on it, step on it on each one.
Yeah, that's right. Just like that. I'm actually just I'm gonna avoid driving it all the way. Kicking up in an angle. Always be careful not to dent it. Oh shit.
I think the battery's like that, eh?
Shouldn't be. Put it on 5.
Yeah.
Set her down.
Snap it on, do that, and bring it up. Yeah.
Let's get a couple more ready. Not too often. It's decent enough this year, but it's about 50-50. Flat stuff. Oh, need one more. Oh, get it ready. Fine, you're gonna just pull it up in this position. It's good. Yeah. So we put it upside down so it glides better.
Yep.
Stick it right in the middle, clamp it down. Feels pretty tight.
Oh, you screw for tighten. So where were you tightening it? Right here?
Hello, Mackenzie speaking. Good yourself. Okay. Mhm.
Lined up.
Go up, 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 up. Yeah, focus on the ribs. Take it out of the cuff, then bring it up. Right? Tight. You're holding it? All right, so he's gonna hold that as best he can. I wanna go as low as I can.
I'm off up here.
That's fine.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. That's for calf and that's.
Like a floor.
Well, it'll work out. Start at the bottom. Nice kick. I'm just gonna work my way up.
Yep.
That upwards diagonal kick gets, that's where all the magic is. That's where we go. And we'll just continue to work out. Start at the bottom, up, kick, upward, connected, and hands repeat. Yep. Take a left, right, and left. There we go. Got it. It's not terrible, it's one tight. It's not tight, that's causes problems. But it really is working. That's why it's not easy to go a little bit. And then it is still there, you know. You can take a we're gonna do adjustment. So we're gonna see that. This is like everything here. Get it nice and tight, make adjustments as you go. Done deal. There we go, get it. It's pretty good. You just want to connect 2 sheets. Don't want it to the root though. We won't be able to adjust it. Right. Tight. Yeah. No, that's when we do it. Put tight inwards. I don't know. Let's make it there. No. Take a second, look and grab the unfinished side when you're ready.
Now.
Clicking? That's awesome. Make sure to check the bottom and make any adjustments before moving on.